Okay, time to put the front wheel back on. Pretty straightforward. They're still up in the air. I'm going to put the axle, which has got a little bit of anti-seize on it, into the hole. Put our cleaned and lubed bushings back in. And we're just going to carefully lift our wheel. Make sure our bushings stay where they're supposed to be. Slide our axle all the way through. Now the nut has a little tension clip on it, so it'll start to add tension before it's fully on down. Again, I've got the 14mm breaker bar on the axle side. I'm just going to snug this down. Now, to keep things stable, I'm going to lower the wheel back onto the ground. I'm going to switch over to my torque wrench. The torque for the axle nut is 44 foot-pounds. It's actually 43.5, but I'm going to round up just a half a pound. Okay, we got our axle nut torqued. And we're going to see if our brake caliper will slide on again. How about that? Start one of these. I'm going to use a drop of blue Loctite, since they had Loctite on them originally. A little plug. That was a bit more than I wanted. Put a little on the other one. Now the metric for the axle nut is 59 Newton meters. 43.5 foot-pounds. The torque for the caliper bolts is 22.1 foot-pounds, which is 101 inch-pounds. A lot of torque wrenches won't go down that low, so I use my inch-pound torque wrench. And you could just do this by feel. It's not that tight. Just snug it up and give it just a little bit. But we're going to use torque wrench today. Okay, once you have your fresh brake pads and your front wheel on, you're going to want to pump your lever, your front brake lever, to take up the slack in those pistons so you don't get a surprise on the first ride out. And that's it, front wheel back on.